Hello. Let us begin slowly. There is no rush here. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen. This is slow English. Very slow, very gentle, designed for your mind to feel safe. Take a breath. In and out. Good. Many people feel nervous when they learn English. They think too much. They worry about mistakes. They worry about pronunciation. They worry about being wrong. Here, you do not need to worry. There is nothing to prove. There is no test. There is no pressure. You are allowed to learn slowly. Slow learning is real learning. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the pauses. Your brain is listening, even when you are relaxed. Sometimes, when we relax, we learn better. If your mind starts to wander, that is okay. Gently come back to the sound of my voice. English does not need to be difficult. English can be calm. English can be soft. English can feel like rest. Let us talk about something simple. Time. Time moves fast when we are stressed. Time moves slowly when we are calm. Right now, we are choosing to slow time down. You might feel that your English is not good enough. Many people feel this way, but learning is not a race. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. Both are okay. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. When you listen like this, your brain starts to recognize sounds. Words become familiar. Sentences feel natural. You do not need to memorize. You do not need to repeat. Just listening is enough for now. Let the words flow past you, like water. If you understand a sentence, that is good. If you do not, that is also good. Understanding will come in its own time. Pause. Breathe again. Learning slowly builds confidence. Confidence grows quietly, not suddenly. Many learners quit because they are too hard on themselves. We do not do that here. Here, we are kind to our minds. Let us continue. Your brain is learning patterns, the way English sounds, the way sentences move. You are learning without effort. That is powerful. If you are listening at night, I hope this helps you relax. If you are listening in the morning, I hope this gives you calm energy. There is nothing you need to do next. No homework, no task, just listening. Slow English is not weak English. It is strong. It is deep. It lasts longer. Stay here a little longer. We will continue very gently. You are doing well, even now. Thank you for listening. Thank you for giving yourself this slow moment. We will continue very soon. Take a moment before we continue. There is no rush, no pressure, just this moment. If you are listening again, that means something. It means you chose to slow down. That is already a good choice. Let us begin very gently. Sometimes when we slow down, we notice things we did not notice before. The sound of breathing, the rhythm of words, the way silence feels safe. Slow English is not about speed. It is about comfort. It is about letting your mind feel relaxed while learning. Many learners think they must understand every word. But real understanding comes from feeling, not forcing. Right now, you are training your ears. You are helping your brain become familiar with English sounds. This is important. This is real learning. Let us talk about patience. Patience is not easy, especially when you want to improve, especially when you feel behind. But patience creates space, and space allows learning to grow naturally. Imagine learning like planting a seed. You do not pull the plant to make it grow faster. You water it, you give it light, and then you wait. Listening slowly is like watering the seed. Each time you listen, something small changes inside your brain. You may not notice it today, but it is happening. Let us pause for a breath. In, out. Good. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to speak now. Listening is enough. Many people forget this. Listening is the foundation of language. Before speaking, before reading, before writing, there is listening. When you were a child, you listened for years before you spoke. You did not rush. You did not worry. You simply listened. We are doing the same thing here, but gently, calmly. If your thoughts start to wander, do not fight them. Just notice them. And then, bring your attention back to the sound of this voice. This is practice, not just for English, but for calm. Let us talk about calm. Calm does not mean nothing is happening. Calm means you feel safe while things are happening. Learning English can feel stressful. So many rules, so many words, so many expectations. Here, we remove expectations, we remove judgment, we keep only listening. Slow listening helps your nervous system relax. A relaxed mind learns better. You might feel sleepy. That is okay. Your brain still hears. Your brain still learns. Some of the best learning happens when you are relaxed, when you are not trying. Let us continue with something simple. Think about today. Not the whole day, just one small moment. Maybe you drank water. Maybe you rested. Maybe you listened to this audio. That moment matters. Small moments build change. Learning English is not one big step. It is many small steps. Quiet steps. Gentle steps. Each time you listen, your confidence grows a little, even if you do not feel it. Confidence does not shout, it whispers. Let us slow down again. Pause. Breathe. You are not late. You are not slow. You are learning in a way that respects your mind. Some people learn fast but forget quickly. Some people learn slowly but remember deeply. Deep learning lasts longer. Let the words enter your mind without effort. Do not chase them. Do not analyze them. Just let them be there. English can be friendly. English can feel soft. It does not need to feel heavy. You are allowed to enjoy learning. You are allowed to feel calm. If you are listening at night, let your body rest. If you are listening during the day, let your mind slow down. There is nothing you must remember. There is nothing you must repeat. Listening is enough for now. Sometimes, progress is silent. It does not announce itself. It arrives quietly. One day, you will understand more without knowing why. This is how slow learning works. Let us breathe again. In, out. You are safe here. You are learning here. You are allowed to go slowly. Many learners quit because they feel pressure. We remove pressure here. Instead, we build familiarity, sound by sound, sentence by sentence. Your brain loves familiarity. It feels safe. It feels calm. And when the brain feels safe, learning happens naturally. Stay with this feeling for a moment. Calm, slow, gentle. There is no finish line right now. There is only listening. You are doing something good for yourself, not just for English, but for your mind. Slow learning is self-respect. Let us end this part gently. Thank you for listening again. Thank you for choosing a slower pace. Thank you for giving your mind a quiet space. We will continue very slowly, very gently. When you are ready, rest now. You are doing well.